Patrick at Pals. Okay, now we're inside the car with the car running and the progression distributor is outside. I pick up my iPad. You can mount this on your phone, you can mount it on an iPad. Any device that takes an app can be used. And when I open up my iPad, there it is, Pro Ignition. You hit that button, bring it up, and this is what it looks like. The screen comes up, it's connected. Now you've got several different things here. It's progression ignition. You can generate a table. It's got the save tables. It's got an active table, and it's got the gauges. So you can put this anywhere that you want it. So let's just take a look at generate the table. This is where they set it up to start with. Okay, this was the last table that I used. Number of cylinders is 8. Fix the timing at 16. That's for blowers, so you don't ever use that. Okay, that's if you have a supercharger on the car. Got your idle speed set at 710. That's where this car idles normally. Idle timing, 18 degrees. Now you can change that to anything you want. This is your initial timing. Usually a big black Chevy likes 16 to 18 degrees, so that's where we've got it. Most Chevy V8s, Dodge, and Ford all like 16 to 18 degrees. Now, if you have an older style car like this 396, it's going to like up to 38 mechanical. Like we were saying yesterday, if you've got a crate engine, a current crate engine like a 383 stroker or an LS engine, they're only going to want 32 degrees, 32 to 34. So they still like to have 16 to 18 initial, but they want a total of 32. So instead of having to change the bushings inside the distributor to make that happen, you just simply put, okay, I want initial 18 degrees, and I want total timing at 38, and I want it all in by 2,900 RPM. And like we talked yesterday, some engines like it sooner than that, some engines like it later than that. That's all things that you have to look at your cylinder heads, your compression, the cam lobes, everything that works together to get there. This car, the best combination is 18 initial, 38 total, all in by 2,900 RPM. Now here you go down and you got maximum advance. And like we were talking yesterday, advance, the maximum advance, that's your vacuum advance, okay? I've got it set at 12 degrees for this car. You add the 38 to the 12, you get 50. You shouldn't exceed 50. You can go up to, some engines will take 51, 52, 53, but usually 50 degrees is the standard. So if you had 36 degrees here at total timing, you could add 14 degrees on your vacuum advance. The reason you want the vacuum advance to be around 50 is because at a cruise speed, on a flat road where the engine isn't using any vacuum, it's got a full vacuum source going to it, you need more timing. You need the timing to be before top dead center. You want it 50 before. It's going to give you better fuel economy and just make the car run better. Okay? Now, start the vacuum advance at 80 kPa. Okay, so that tells it when to start. Now, we're going to go into the table in the next video, and I'm going to show you what this looks like running. If you've got a muscle car and you want it tuned properly, bring it to Pals. See you soon.